All right, so after our overview of users, I thought it might be useful to show you some of the most common day-to-day changes, requests that might come in for a ShoreTel administrator. So again, back into the users section, use myself as an example here. Click on the general tab. So first one would be license type, right? So there's two different types of licenses. So your license type is either going to be extension and mailbox, extension only or mailbox only. And then the access license for the ShoreTel Connect client on the PC is phone only, Connect client, workgroup agent, workgroup supervisor, and operator. So the naming convention there is a little different than previous versions of ShoreTel. If you need to change the user group that user is assigned to, you can do so here. Obviously, the site is going to be dictated by the IP phone address map, which we'll go over later. And then probably the biggest one is changing the phone that the extension is assigned to. So here you can see the MAC address of my phone if I need to change that. So if I have a defective phone, I get sent a new one, click on Change Settings, and in the drop-down box here would be displayed whatever new MAC or whatever phone, whatever the MAC address is of the phone that I just plugged into the network once it goes through its boot process. Okay. And here the current port shows me the MAC address that I'm currently assigned to. Mailbox server. All right, so if you need to change the server, if you have a HQ server and maybe a DVS or multiple DVSs, that's where you would assign the mailbox server. And then the client password. So if the user forgets the Connect client password, you can reset that here. And the voicemail password is on the voicemail tab right at the top here, resetting the user's voicemail password. You can check the box to force them to change it the next time they log in. So there's a couple simple changes there you might get asked to do by your end users.